How does power affect individuals and their groups? Once we attain power, it alters our state of mind and motivates us to behave in ways that maintain and protect it. We also vary in the outcomes we try to achieve. Personalized leaders use power to benefit themselves, while socialized leaders use it to make a positive impact on the group. Because power places us in positions of influence over others, we have a responsibility to use it appropriately and adhere to ethical standards. Members who possess the most power tend to be more active in the group, more motivated to succeed, and more helpful. They also tend to experience and express more positive emotions, including optimism about the future and empathy towards others. Plus, they tend to set better goals, make better decisions, express themselves more freely, and cope more effectively with the challenges they face. But it isn't their power that enables them to do this. Instead, these behaviors give them power. Throughout their careers, powerful members tend to benefit from earlier promotions, increased career mobility, higher pay, and better effectiveness. But sometimes power can lead to negative consequences for both individuals and groups. Power holders tend to be overly optimistic, less understanding of others' points of view, and less compassionate towards others. They also tend to make riskier decisions and attribute others' behaviors to their personal qualities, instead of considering situational factors. Powerful social situations can lead some people to transform into morally corrupt individuals, a process called the Lucifer effect, named after the biblical character who betrayed God and became Satan. These people fiercely control the group's resources, rely on hard power tactics, exploit the leader-follower relationship for their own benefit, and break ethical rules in the pursuit of their goals. Unfortunately, the consequences can be devastating, even fatal, for the other group members, especially those in a vulnerable state.